Whether you're a new driver or a car enthusiast, these 10 simple car hacks will make your life so much easier. Let's dive into some tips you'll wish you knew sooner. Keep your trunk tidy by using a cheap hanging shoe organizer. Store tools, cleaning supplies, or emergency snacks. No more junk rolling around. Headlights looking cloudy? Just rub on some toothpaste, scrub with a sponge, rinse, and watch them shine like new. No more fast food wrappers on the floor. Clip a small trash bag behind the seat using a headrest hook. Easy and clean. Skip the store-bought stuff. Add a few drops of your favorite essential oil to cotton balls in a small jar for a natural, long-lasting scent. Minor dent. A simple bathroom plunger might fix it. Wet the surface. Press and pull. It won't work on all dents, but it's worth a try. Use a plastic cereal container as a mini trash can. Pop a plastic bag inside, and it fits right between the seats. Live in a cold area? Park facing east. The rising sun helps melt morning frost faster. No more scraping before work. Spray cooking oil or silicone spray on the rubber seals of your doors in winter to prevent them from freezing shut. No phone mount. Use a clear Ziploc or plastic sleeve taped to your dash. You can still see your GPS without distractions. Always keep a coin under the cup holder mat. It can come in handy for tolls, air machines, or quick fixes when you're out. Which hack was your favorite? Drop a comment below, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more smart car tips.